Welcome to Android Beginners channel.
Hey there,
Welcome to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're delving into the world of prime numbers with Java. We'll learn how to determine if a number is prime or not. Whether you're new to programming or an experienced coder, this is a concept worth mastering. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1, that has no positive divisors other than 1 in itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, and 7 are prime numbers. Let me explain this code step by step. We use a Boolean variable as prime to keep track of whether the number is prime. If the number is less than or equal to 1, we immediately set as prime to false because prime numbers start from 2. Next, we use a for loop to check divisibility of a number. We only need to check up to the square root of the number to save computation. If the number is divisible by any value between 2 and the square root of the number, we set as prime to false and break out of the loop. When you run this code, you'll find out whether the entered number is prime or not. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,